Good morning. This is a recording for Tuesday, October 21st. The Zen story for today is titled The Lantern That Wouldn't Stay Lit. The monk waited for dusk to settle, sitting cross-legged on the floor as long shadows stretched across the cabin walls. The forest had been unusually still all afternoon, as if something unseen was holding its breath. When darkness finally folded itself over the clearing, he stood and reached for the small oil lantern hanging by the door. His fingers moved carefully, as they always had, steady practice, unshaken by the day's silence. A steadiness honed in the temple, where lanterns burned without fail under watchful masters. He lit the wick with ease, shielding the flame with his palm as it grew steady and bright. For a moment, the light held. As he set the lantern on the window ledge, the flame flickered once and then vanished, snuffed by nothing he could name. He relit it, slower this time, as if gentleness might persuade it to stay. Again the flame rose, soft and golden against the dark. Again it died. He checked the wick, checked the oil, checked the glass for cracks. Everything as it should be. No wind, no draft, nothing but stillness. He tried again and again. Each time the flame returned, brief, hopeful, only to vanish the moment he let go. His jaw tightened, breath short. His hands, once steady, began to tremble, not with fear, but with something sharper, smaller. A coil of frustration tightening around his ribs. He lit the lantern one final time, holding it longer than before, daring it to flicker, daring it to stay. And then, from just beyond the window, a soft, breathy sound. Not wind, not breath, not branch, not bird. Something closer. He stepped toward the window, pressing his face to the glass, peering into the night. For a breath he saw nothing, and then, just as the edge of the clearing, a red tail, low and swaying, slipping into the dark. The lantern's flame wavered, danced once more, and without warning, snuffed itself out. The monk stood in the dark, gripping the cold frame of the window, his heart quickening, the tension pulling tighter. Beyond the clearing, the fox paused, its red tail flicking, eyes glinting with quiet delight at the monk whose light it had stolen. Now take a comfortable position and, as always, take a moment to relax your body, arriving into stillness. Maybe close your eyes and take a few nice, satisfying breaths in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you, the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment just as it is, and when thoughts come, let them pass, like clouds, like ripples, like water. And now take a moment to reflect. How do you usually handle frustration? How do you usually handle frustration? Now bring your hands to your heart, and as always, send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. How do you usually handle frustration? As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day. Tomorrow is Wednesday with Lorna's breathing practice, and I will see you on Thursday.